When your plumbing breaks down, Lakewood needs reliability. That's Belmar Lake Plumbing, your trusted local experts delivering fast solutions, anytime, day or night. With 150 skilled professionals and a fleet ready to serve, we're here for you. From emergency leaks to complete water heater replacements, we don't just fix pipes, we deliver peace of mind. EPA certified, fully insured, and committed to excellence. Belmar Lake Plumbing has been Lakewood's choice for over a decade. Stop worrying, start trusting. Your solution is just one call away. Belmar Lake Plumbing, Lakewood's local plumbing company, expert service, every time,